Liza McQuade and her husband Clark made a spontaneous decision to bicycle across the country, from Portland, Oregon to Portland, Maine. When they started their journey, they were beginners to cycling, out of shape and unaware of even the basics of bicycle repair. During the 4 months it took them to travel across the country, they grew closer to each other as they overcame challenges, stayed motivated, and received surprising amounts of support from people all across the country. This is their heartwarming account of their quirky journey for adventure lovers and armchair enthusiasts alike. The book is filled with moments of hilarity, fear, surprise, struggle, tenderness, danger, and beauty. Ultimately, it's an inspiration for all who read it. If this out-of-shape, inexperienced couple can do it, you can do it, no matter your dream.